Hello everyone, in this video we will do a quick revision about probability. So probability is defined as the likelihood or the chance of an event occurring. Probability are in the decimal form range from 0 to 1. So we can have 0, 0.5, 0.999 and up to 1. We do not have probability that greater than 1. So the formula is that the probability of an event equal to the number of successful outcome over the possible outcome or over the total number of outcome. Or we can say over the total of sample space possible outcome. Yes. So for example, if I have a coin, so if I flip a coin, I can have two possible outcomes, head and tail. So sample space equal head and tail. So I have two possible outcomes. The probability of head. So looking at the sample space, I have 1 here. So 1 out of 2 possible outcomes. So the probability of head is half and the probability of tail is also half. So we say that we have an even chance here. Let's working on one example. For example, we have the word prince, P-I-C. Alright, number 1, list all the symbol space. So symbol space denoted as S. So can be P, R, I, N, C, E. You don't have to list in the same order, but you need to include all the letters. If I have another word like statistic, like that, so the symbol space will equal STATISTICS. So even letter I repeated twice, you need to list it twice, because if you not list it correctly, you will have the number of sample space and the number of successful outcome wrong. Alright, that is just one example. Now that's A. List all the sample space. Number 2, B. Find the probability of letter the probability of letter N. So number of successful outcome, I have 1 out of the all possible outcome, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 out of 6. Alright. C. What is the sample space of the event V if it is choosing a vowel? So looking at here, the sample space of vowel E, I, and E. So if they ask us to find the probability of V means that event. So if we need to find the probability of V, we need to get back to the sample space here. So successful outcome is 2 out of the all possible outcome. The whole sample space in the prince 6, 2 out of 6. You suppose to simplify it is 1 over 3. Alright. Now the last one. Find the probability of not choosing a vowel. So probability of not choosing a vowel. So if you learn about probability before, you should know that is would equal 1. Take away the probability of having a vowel. 1 take away 1 over 3 equal to over 3. So up to here you have another formula to remember. The probability of V plus the probability of not V equal 1. So the one not V here we call complement. Complement of event V. So whenever you have the complement, it denoted that V with little dot here. So the correct formula is the probability of V plus the probability of complement of V is equal to 1. Otherwise, the probability of complement of V equal 1 take away probability of V. That's why I have a formula here before. So up to here you have two formula to remember. One is PR of an event. The probability of an event equal the number of successful outcome over the total number of possible outcome. And the second formula is about the relationship between an event and the complement of that event. All good? So now let's do an example on this lesson here. Here we go. In a class of 30 students, 6 were born in Vietnam, 5 were born in Sudan, and 4 born in India. So I should summarize it. 30 students, 6 in Vietnam, 5 in Sudan, and 4 India. And sorry, I missed one here. When in Iran. So a member of the class is selected at random. What is the probability that the student children at a random was born in? Firstly, Sudan. Number of students born in Sudan here 5 over the total number of students I have 30. 5 over 30, simplify, it is 1 over 6. Now, the second one, India or Vietnam. So let me show you the working out. Is equal India or Vietnam equal the probability of India plus the probability of Vietnam. So India 4 over 13 plot Vietnam 6 over 13. Sorry, 30. We have the same denominator. We add the numerator together equal 10 over 30. It equals 1 over 3. Now the last one, not Iran. So if student not born in Iran, they can either born in Sudan, India, Vietnam. So probability of Sudan equal Iran equal probability Sudan plus India plus Vietnam. Alright, let me tell you this way, there is nothing wrong with that, but it gonna confuse you 100%. So let's think about what we have learned before. So probability of not Iran equal 1, take away the probability of Iran equal 1, take away who were born in Iran 1 out of 30. So it is 30 over 30, take away 1 out of 30 equal 29 out of 30. So instead of working in the long way, I working in this way. Complement of errands equal 1 take away errand 1. So that's it, everything about the basic probability. So let's move on to the next lesson.